Today we are going to talk about the Explore Planet Earth Acadia tent range. The Acadia 4-person is a single room tent, while the 6-person has 2 rooms. The Acadia tents have multiple entrances and side windows, which allow you to increase the airflow so your tent does not get as hot. Handy storage pockets are included to keep your keys and phones safe. Having an extended front vestibule allows you to zip up the front insect screens during the night, allowing air to come in while remaining waterproof. This is also a good place to store wet gear. As the 6-person has 2 rooms, it includes side ventilation ports and extra storage pods in the rear room. We use coiled zips which track better around corners and last longer. Spray them with silicone to remove dust or sea salt so they run free and last. The new polyester storm rope with the tri-glade tension gives you extra performance in windy conditions. Remember, guy ropes should be pegged out last, in line with the seams, and make sure the tension is even on all sides. The power mesh pole sleeves support the curve of the pole and are stronger and softer than other fabrics, meaning it lasts longer, sustains windy conditions, and is easier to slide the poles through. The speed clips and power mesh together help speed up the setting up process. The colour-coded frame fits into the pins and rings, which are at the base of the tent. This uses fewer pegs, which makes it quicker to erect. On the 4-person tent, there is a vestibule pole which is attached to the fly at the front. This means you only have 3 frame parts. The Acadia 6, being a 2-room model, has a slightly different frame. It still has the X-frame like the other tents in the main room, but has 3 crossover poles, which increase the internal space and have extra stability. Both the fly and the inner of the Acadia tents are made from polyester, which is 8 times stronger than standard nylon. As the tent poles are attached to the inner, there is a structural advantage using polyester rather than nylon or mesh. Your tent will perform better in the wind and be warmer to sleep in at night. The waterproof coating and seam sealing improve the fabric, which lasts longer to safeguard you even further. Our flyers use tighter, denser fabrics, which is stronger and lighter to carry. Our tent flyers are double coated to 2,500mm and seam sealed to ensure you keep dry. We use electroplated steel pegs, which make them easier to clean. And for extra strength, we use webbing pegging points on all the stress areas. Your tent needs some give in windy conditions, so we use shock cord in the mid-peg areas and on the fly to ensure maximum flexibility. Remember to put the pegs in on a 45-degree angle so they grip better. The Explore Planet Earth Acadia range offers you a choice of excellent quality, feature-packed tents designed to last in Australian conditions. To view the entire Explore Planet Earth tent range, please visit www.exploreplanetearth.com.au.